Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google. Begin by ensuring that your mobile device is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your device. For Android users, this is the Google Play Store. For iOS users, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Google Home and hit Enter. Look for the official app developed by Google LLC. Tap on the app icon to open the details page. Next, select the Install or Get button to begin downloading the app. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, locate the Google Home app on your device. Tap on the app icon to open it. When prompted, sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, follow the instructions to create one. After signing in, grant any necessary permissions for the app to function properly. Now, ensure your Hue lights are set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your device. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Set Up Device from the options presented. Choose Works with Google to find a list of compatible devices. In the search bar, type Philips Hue and select it from the list. Sign in to your Philips Hue account when prompted. Allow the app to connect to your Hue bridge. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Hue lights to the Google Home app. Once linked, you'll see your lights displayed within the app. To group your lights, tap on the room icon in the app. Select Add Room to create a new group. Name the room according to your preference. Choose the lights you want to include in this group. Save your settings to complete the grouping process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.